In that context, sir, I feel that something has got to be done to restore the confidence of the people in the members of parliament, in the members of legislatures, and in the ministers. Stop now, my friend made a suggestion that after all, we are all answerable to the people in this country, and when representatives come through elections and people vote for them, that is a sure proof of the people confidence in these elected representatives. Stop, I would respectfully differ from my friend on this kind of a diagnosis or analysis of the problem that electorally everything can be solved. Stop, the problem of human character, human integrity, human behavior, morality cannot be solved by an electoral process. Stop. There have been men in the world who are of great moral stature, men of great character and integrity, but they never won an election. Stop. Are we not aware of Sri Rajgopalachari, who was a man of great character and integrity? Nothing can be said against him. Stop. He was a man of high moral stature, but he never won an election. He was also defeated in an election. Stop. Para. Let us not try to beguile ourselves by saying that by our being electorally established, our character is established, our integrity is established, our moral standard is established. Stop. After all, the kind of electoral system that we have in this country itself corrupts the entire political system, the entire politics in this country. Stop. How many of us can claim that we limit ourselves to the amount prescribed in the Representation of the People Act when we contest an election which member of parliament does not spend above that amount? How many of us file a true return in compliance with the provisions of the Representation of the People Act? Sign of interrogation. Most of the candidates file false returns. Stop. And this has been taken as an accepted way of life. Stop. Therefore, we should not expect that once it is electorally established that somebody has been elected, he must automatically we deemed to be a man of character, a man of integrity, and so on and so forth. Stop such a proposition. At least I personally cannot accept it. Stop. Para. Sir, I was trying to say that the resolution, as my friend has referred adverts to three aspects consequent on the various polling. Stop. The resolution seeks to condemn certain statements made by the leading members of the government, and the statements are attributed to as though encroaching upon the jurisdiction of the election commission. As the mover of the resolution put it, the independence of the election commission. Stop. That is the second aspect. And the third aspect is a suggestion flowing from the erosion, as he calls it, or the independence of the election commission, so that a parliamentary committee could be set up to review the election laws and suggest Appropriate reforms stop the issue of electoral reforms has also been discussed at length and many a speaker has generally spoken about the electoral reforms stop para. While I will make my submissions with reference to the electoral reforms in general, with reference to some of the speakers who have adverted to the various aspects of the reforms, I feel it duty bound to also meet some of the points which have been raised by the honorable members here, particularly with reference to the election commission and also about certain irregularities which they have brought to the notice of this house that had taken place in the repoll at several places stop sir a broader aspect and highlighting the aspect of the independence of the election commission has chosen to speak on a broader aspect and painted a picture on the wider canvas as to the erosion of all the parliamentary democratic institutions in this country. Stop. I would not like to become emotional as he did, but I would certainly advert to the aspects on which I feel that he was very much uncharitable.